I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted to put your entire friend group into a famous movie scene or a viral dance trend all at once? Well, I have found an insane AI tool that swaps multiple faces in the exact same video, and the results, they are incredibly realistic. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as VitMash. You heard that, right? So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first thing that I'm actually going to be able to show you is how you can actually swap several different faces in a single video. You heard that, right? So first things first, you got to make sure that you use that link down below in the description. You got to sign up, and then you're going to be able to log in. And if we actually take a look right here, we have what is known as face swap. We can actually go right here to multi-face swap. So they do have both photo and video. So I'm going to kick it off with a video, and then after that, we're going to move on to the photo. All right? So first things first, you guys can see right here, you're going to be able to select a video. And if you guys aren't aware, they actually have a huge library down below that you can choose from, right? So for example, we can just click this one right here and it'll automatically upload, all right? So obviously, when it comes to a video, it's great to use it, especially if there are 2 or more people, which is very important, right? So just to show you guys, you can see right here that we have 2 people, 2 women to be exact, all right? And then after that, you guys, you'll be able to play the video, you can check it out, see exactly what it looks like, easy and simple, right? And after that, you can see right here, we have 2 different faces, all right? So you're going to be able to upload these faces, right? So you'll be able to upload images to the faces, which is actually pretty cool and pretty awesome. So the AI here, I want you guys to understand, it's going to be able to automatically detect the different faces in the video and display them as separate slots. So as you guys can clearly see, we have 2 right here, which is good. All right, let's pause this. So let's go ahead and add some faces, okay? So we're going to do this face right here, and we're going to do this face right here, right? We're just going to go ahead and take 2 selfies right there of some older gentlemen, and we'll see how it looks. We're going to go ahead and click right here. So you guys already saw exactly what the video looks like, so let's go ahead and swap the faces, okay? So it's pretty easy and simple. As I mentioned, you just upload different source photos for each specific face slot that you want to replace. All right. Then obviously AI will handle all the rest, right? It's going to be able to handle all the face rendering. Guys, that's it. All right. So you guys can see right here, we have the full video. Once again, let's go ahead and blow that up here. And you guys can see right here. So it actually looks pretty cool, right? So you guys can clearly see there's definitely a difference here. So I want you guys to understand, this is VidMash, as I mentioned, right? And it's advanced AI. It doesn't just do single faces. It can accurately track and map multiple identities within complex moving video scenes, as you can clearly see, right? Which is awesome. So it keeps the overall expressions and the lighting natural for every single person that is swapped, okay? Next, I want you guys to understand, as I mentioned, we also have what's called multi-face mapping, which actually works flawlessly for static group photos as well. All right, so like I said, we did a video, and now we're going to move on to the photos. All right. So I want you guys to understand not just videos, but also photos. It can create hilarious custom thumbnails, or even, let's say, event posters. So right up here, you're just going to go to what's called multi-face swap. We're going to click on that. And as you guys can see, once again, you'll be able to choose. There are a lot of different pictures down here, right? You actually have a whole gallery. Now keep in mind, you can actually upload your own group, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and just pick one out here. Let's go ahead and pick this one, and we'll actually blow it up for you really quick so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So there we have it, okay? So it's pretty easy and simple to do. Then, after that, the AI is going to be able to detect the faces, which is good. So we're going to go ahead and upload some images. So we're going to do this one here, and then we're going to do another one right here. So for example, and we have 2 older gentlemen. Both of them have mustaches. They're kind of like little selfies here, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, so remember, you can assign your friends or coworkers source photos to the detected slots, right? You can do whatever you like, all right? So we're going to be able to click right here, face swap. Pretty easy and simple. So I want you guys to understand, what actually makes this tool stand out is that it doesn't get confused when characters cross paths or when they move their heads. It's very important that you guys understand that. So despite processing multiple faces at once, the rendering speed is incredibly fast, as you guys can see. So you can actually get your final video within minutes. Okay, so you'll see it right here. We're going to be able to go over it, right? So pretty cool, right? You can clearly see that. So I have to admit, you guys, it looks pretty awesome, right? The AI here works phenomenally. So once again, you guys, you can easily preview which face goes where before hitting render. Remember that, very important. so you never accidentally swap the wrong people. So whenever it comes to Vidmod's multiple face swap technology, guys, it typically allows you to instantly insert multiple friends, coworkers, or family members into any video or photo with pinpoint accuracy. I want you to officially like what you do, like what you created. Just click download and go from there. All right, so very important, you guys, all right? So make sure you guys check it out. Let me know exactly what you guys think. You can always swap things out, easy and simple. Alrighty, so there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, stop leaving your friends out of the fun and start creating epic group face swap videos. Check out the link down below or try Vimage and grab your free trial today. Not only that, be sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.